Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to my new Arabic series. Today we are going to learn 25 common sentences in Arabic. इस वीडियो में हम 25 अरबिक के ऐसे जुमलों को पढ़ेंगे, सेंटेंसेस को पढ़ेंगे जो डेली लाइफ में बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ होते हैं. First of all, if you visit first time my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon and give thumbs up. Okay, are you ready? Let's start. First one, Assalamu alaikum, which means peace be upon you. Let's repeat. Assalamu alaikum, peace be upon you. And its reply, Wa alaikum assalam, which means peace be upon you too. Let's repeat. Assalamu alaikum and Wa alaikum assalam. The second one, Marhaba, hello. And ahlan, hi. Let's repeat. Marhaba, hello. Ahlan, hi. The third one, ahlan wa sahlan, welcome. Let's repeat. Ahlan wa sahlan, welcome. Okay, the fourth one, ahlan wa sahlan ya azizi, welcome my dear. When you're talking to a male, you say ahlan wa sahlan ya azizi. And when you are talking to a female, ahlan wa sahlan ya azizati, welcome my dear. For male, ahlan wa sahlan ya azizi. And for female, ahlan wa sahlan ya azizati. Okay, the fifth one, ahlan wa sahlan ya sadiqi, welcome my friend. When you're talking to a male, ahlan wa sahlan ya sadiqi. And when you are talking to a female, ahlan wa sahlan ya sadiqati, welcome my friend. For male, ahlan wa sahlan ya sadiqi. And for female, ahlan wa sahlan ya sadiqati. Okay, let's repeat. Ahlan wa sahlan ya sadiqi. Ahlan wa sahlan ya sadiqati. Okay, the next, number 6. Sabahul khair, good morning. Let's repeat. Sabahul khair, good morning. Okay, its reply. Sabahun nur, good morning. Let's repeat. Sabahun nur, good morning. Okay, the next one. Masa'ul khair, good evening. Let's repeat. Masa'ul khair, good evening. And its reply. Masa'un nur, good evening. Let's repeat. Masa'un nur, good evening. Okay, the number 10. Kaifa haluka, how are you? Let's repeat. Kaifa haluka. If you're talking to a male, Kaifa haluka, how are you? And if you're talking to a female, you will say Kaifa haluki, how are you? For male, Kaifa haluka. And for female, Kaifa haluki, how are you? Okay, the next one. Ana bi khair, shukran. Wa anta, I am fine, thanks. And you? If you are talking to a male, you will say Ana bi khair, shukran. Wa anta, I am fine, thanks. And you? And if you are talking to a female, you will say أنا بخير شكرا وأنتِ. Let's repeat. أنا بخير شكرا وأنتِ, I am fine, thanks. And you? Let's repeat. For male, أنا بخير شكرا وأنت. And for female, أنا بخير شكرا وأنتِ. أنا بخير, I am fine, شكرا, thanks. وأنت and وأنتِ mean and you. I am fine, thanks, and you. Okay, the next one. Ma ismuka, what is your name? If you are talking to a male, you will say Ma ismuka, what is your name? And if you are talking to a female, you will say Ma ismuki, what is your name? For male, Ma ismuka. And for female, Ma ismuki, what is your name? After that, ismi, my name is. Here use your name. Okay, my name is Ikram. So ismi Ikram. My name is Ikram. Okay, the next one. Min aina anta. Where are you from? When you're talking to a male, you will say Min aina anta. Where are you from? And when you're talking to a female, you will say Min aina anti. Where are you from? For male, Min aina anta. Where are you from? And for female, Min aina anti. Where are you from? Okay, the next one. Ana min. I am from. Here use your place name. For example, I am from Islamabad. So I will say Ana min Islamabad. Okay, I am from Islamabad. Okay, the next one. Kam umruka. How old are you? When you're talking to a male, you will say Kam umruka. How old are you? And when you're talking to a female, you will say Kam umruki. How old are you? For male, Kam umruka. How old are you? And for female, Kam umruki. How old are you? Kam umruka and Kam umruki. Okay, the next one. Ana sanawat. I am years old. Here use your age number. For example, I am 20-year-old. I will say Ana ishruna sanawat. I am 20 years old. Okay, once more repeat again. Ana sanawat. I am years old. Okay, the next one. Sayyidi, sir, and Sayyidati, madam. When you're talking to a male, Sayyidi, sir. And when you're talking to a female, Sayyidati, madam. For male, Sayyidi, and for female, Sayyidati. Okay, the next one. Al-yawm, today. Let's repeat. Al-yawm, today. Ghadan, tomorrow. Ghadan, tomorrow. Let's repeat. Al-yawm, today. Ghadan, tomorrow. Al-yawm, today. Ghadan, tomorrow. Okay, the next one. Kam thaman haza. How much is this? Let's repeat. Kam thaman haza. How much is this? Kam mean how. Thaman, much. Haza, this. Okay, the next one. Ahsanta. Well done. When you're talking to a male, you will say Ahsanta. Well done. And when you're talking to a female, Ahsanti. Well done. For male, Ahsanta. And for female, Ahsanti. Well done. Ahsanta and Ahsanti. Okay, the next one. Ana asif. I am sorry. For male, Ana asif. I am sorry. And for female, Ana asifa. I am sorry. Let's repeat. For male, Ana asif. I am sorry. And for female, Ana asifa. I am sorry. The next one. Min fadlika. Please. Let's repeat. Min fadlika. Please. When you're talking to a male, you will say Min fadlika. Please. And when you're talking to a female, you will say Min fadliki. Please. For male, Min fadlika. And for female, Min fadliki. The next one. Shukran. Thank you. And its reply, F1, you are welcome. Let's repeat. Shukran. Thank you. And F1, you are welcome. Okay. The next one. Wada'an, goodbye. And ma'assalam, be safe. And goodbye. Wada'an, goodbye. Ma'assalam, be safe and goodbye. Congratulations, we have completed this lesson. For more videos, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay. Allah Hafiz. Wada'a araka qariban. Goodbye. See you soon.